first 3 airplane stories. This time, I'm attempting the 4th, because usually I die on the 4th, but this time I'm just attempting it. So, yeah. Let's go. Got some baggage. Let's go. Only 50 Robux for that story. Already has people in it. 3, 2, 1. Okay, 8 people. I will be playing with 7 other people. Okay, loading. There's like 50 airplanes on my screen. Airplane for one last flight. I like how it says one last flight. That's awesome. Okay. Can't believe this was made by Poncho King. It has a very different style. Dad. Look at the dad. Wakey, eggs and bakey. Yeah, this is a very different style. What? Don't tell me you forgot. Today's the big day. Oh, we're going to Paris. Let me remind you, we are flying to the Rohamas. Get down here. Yeah. My bed looks comfortable. I'm gonna grab the airplane for one last flight Supreme merch. Oh my, none of you have done your baggage. I had it on the airplane. I mean, at the airport. I can't believe you forgot. That's it. Whoever doesn't have the baggage ready before we're not going to make the trip. That sucks. I'll start making my burgers in the backyard. Hurry up. I want my airplane for Supreme limited time merch. And the cookie. Le cookie. It says I can click the cookie. Le cookie. Okay, here's where we go. 45 seconds to see the house. And okay, airplane in our room. Everybody sleeps in the same room. That's weird. Pink room. Okay. Downstairs, all this baggage. Mine is right there. Okay. Here's the living room. This is just like main room. Okay. Kitchen table, kitchen, and in the backyard you can see Dad cooking burgers, and there, we have a swimming pool. That's awesome. Okay. So, okay, time's up. Time to start packing. Let's go. Okay, find this item. Okay. I have. That's yeah, this is baggage item. Ooh, stop sleeping. My character. I am so tired. Get it. No, there's like no more time. Do I have to pack anything else? At least nobody got the airplane for Supreme limited time merch. Oh! I think these are in this room because... Okay, it's not in the girls' room. I want to get the airplane for Supreme merch. All it's letting me get is shoes. Shoes. I want my Airplane 4 Supreme Limited merch. I'm gonna go back up because I think we have to pack 4 or 3 items. Airplane 3, there's a thingy. 0. Ugh! It'd be so pog. It'd be so, PogChamp. Whatever it means. If I got that, I want the limited time Supreme merch. Ugh. If I get that merch, I'm gonna be so crazy happy. It's playing music as if there's a monster chasing us. I want my merch. No! Wait, look at that one middle burger. That is so cursed. What the heck did you see that middle burger? What the frick? Look at that. Look at that That burger is very rusty dusty. I think if you eat it, you're gonna die. Because that is a very rusty dusty burger. Oh, I think it wants me to sit down. I'll sit right here. Next to Blossom. Everybody here has a display name besides this person. Tate Girl for Life. How is he not flinging the burgers off when he did that? Who wants a burger? If it's poisonous, I don't. I do. I am so hungry. Sit on the picnic table. I want a burger. If I get the poisonous burger, I'm not gonna eat it. Please. Oh no. Asuka got it. Asuka got the rusty dusty. That explains her face. She's like, I got the rusty dusty burger. I don't want to eat it. Because it might heal me when I'm on low health. Hello everyone. We are back on Bloxy Estates News. Okay. Oh, it's the radio. Earlier this month, the president congratulated the brave heroes that saved his life aboard the presidential plane. That was us. Whoa. Can you imagine? Yeah, I was one of them. Yeah, Yeah, Dad. However, the president said that in conference. As we landed, the suspect somehow disappeared. The police warns everyone in Robloxia to be careful and report anything that could be useful for this case. Uh-oh. Why is there bubbles? Am I in... I think I'm in a pool of Sprite. Yeah, that's right. I'm in a pool of Sprite. What the? Secret? Hey, that's Poncho King's avatar. Nice. Follow Papa. I don't know where he's going. I'm gonna go to the garage so I can get in the car so we can go to the place. Yeah, everybody's here. Why? Where's Dad? I want my burger. There he is. There he is. Wait for it. Okay, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I present you. Bruh. Bruh. Why does everybody get a plane and I get the front one? Nice. But this makes no sense. But no, I get the back one. Every plane is facing the other side of the garage. We don't have a pilot's license and you never taught us how to fly. Now, can't lose more time. Find your plane and grab a seat. Bruh. I'm in the back. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. I still have a burger. I'm just casually flying with a burger. I'm gonna eat my burger. I'm eating a burger. Okay, I have my burger. What? We don't even know how to fly these. Yeah, that's yeah. We'll have to find out. Just be careful with the obstacles. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Down. I don't want to die. Okay, go in one of those. That person just... Uh-oh, don't get hit by the windmill. That Kai isn't the best at flying. Someone died. Oh, I'm a god. Yo, Kai and my sister just died. Wait, no, another person also died. It's just 3 more people are alive. Wait, where's everybody else? Where's everybody else? Okay, they're finishing. But doesn't everybody go at the same speed? Wait a minute. Everybody's here? Oh man, that person died. I forgot to tell you, flying over that shortcut is illegal. Bruh. Hopefully nobody saw you. I think somebody saw us. Just maybe. I see the airport. Follow Papa. Why? I know where the airport is. It's right there. Watch before crossing. There's a car. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I want to go to 1. It's right here. Baggage drop. Attention, everyone. Flight 7671. 5 minutes. Yokohama. Oh my gosh. already have my ticket. Get yours. Give me my ticket. I have my baggage. Get your ticket and go through the boarding gate. Do I have my ticket? Oh, I have to drop this first. What if you dropped it and then you couldn't get your baggage? I mean, you couldn't get a ticket. Okay. Now I go over here. No more waiting, let's go. That's the security. Metal detector. That's our plane. Hello, you must be the last passengers flying to Oklamas. Don't worry, you are just in time. All you need to do now is go through the metal detector, and you are good to go. Okay, let's go. What? Why is it red? Why was it red? Oh no, I don't like how that sounds. Why is there Popo? You are going to have to come with us. Okay. Is there a problem, officers? All of you were caught flying over a restricted area. You're in big trouble. Are we gonna be arrested? Paperwork ready. I want this vent to lead something. I knew it was a bad idea. A gasp and a sigh are the same thing, but backwards. There it goes, starting to take off. What's that red thing? What? Res, is that the skeleton? Is that the skeleton from the last Skeletox? The last one, my name's finally complete. Is that Skeletox from Earthling Story 3? Why do you just look at us? Are you enjoying the show, human? Your world will soon be property of the undeads. I don't like the sound of that. Oh, a baseball bat. Nice. Give me my baseball bat. Wait, it doesn't give me the baseball bat. I want my baseball bat. Why does she have a baseball bat? Because I have this ticket in my hand? I don't get a baseball bat? Something happened to those guys. And they sound like gorillas. I don't think those cops are friendly. You don't think? Give me this bat. That was horrible. We gotta find a way to exit. Ooh. Climb. There's vents. Is there an open vent? There's an open vent. Baggage room? It said go this way. Where's Dad? Where's Papa? You need to keep going. He got infected without me. Go. It's Poncho! It's Poncho! It's Poncho! Let's go, it's General Poncho! What's up, Jen? It looks like I'm late to the party. What? Who even are you? Wait, I'm the only one. The person died. I'm Poncho, ex-general of the Relaxia States Army. I've heard from you in the news. Were you not supposed to be dead? I've been trying to stop this strange creature for years. Since the world depended on it, I had to fake my death. We're the only ones left. We have to find and destroy Skeletox before the bad energy consumes us. We need to do this for our dad. It is time to be a hero then. Follow me. Follow Poncho. Down we go. Where are we going? Stand away from that guy. That way. There's someone there, can't you see? Bruh, it's question mark. It's him. Question mark. Hado? Be careful. This guy might be infected. Wait, why does he seem familiar? He looks like Ronald. He is Ronald, and he is infected. Hello, General. Remember me? Nah. Attack. No way, you're supposed to be dead. I guess we're both supposed to be dead. But here we are. When my dark side attacks the person's flame, we got shot in the face. That made my curse become weaker. Oh yeah, and the second one. The only way I can become proof is by killing Skeletox. I still don't trust you. You could be lying to us. Well, I'm hitting the screen. Trust me. I'm holding a baseball bat. Do you trust me? You're not going to be part of this mission. How does he not trust him, but trust me? Well, I'm still going to do it, you know. Who's coming with me? Me! There is no way my team is going with you. Yeah, right. I want to go with Ronald. He looks nice. Oh! You know, General Poncho is untrustworthy because he once said that he was gonna poison, so yeah, I'm sticking with Ronald McDonald. Good luck, soldiers, you're gonna need it. This is the place where Skeletox hides. Do you guys hear that? There's so much infected people. They're coming for us. We have to rush inside. There's so much monkeys. Arrows. Okay. Another purple? I don't like those noses. They're like gorillas. Reynard. It's skeleton talks. The altar. This is not good. Why are the eyes of the statue glowing? What's happening? Are we in his memory? Where are they? And the doctor. Are you Ronald? Hey, it's Ronald as a kid. Yes, that's me. How are they, doctor? Follow me, please. That doctor doesn't look very trustworthy. It says follow Ronald. I don't like the feeling of this. Oh, my bat. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. His parents got in a crane crash. Mom, Dad, you can't go. I need you. I'm just a kid. There has to be something I could do. There's one thing. Skeletox? I can give your parents a second chance. If you are willing to accept my deal. Tell me more. I'll do anything. I don't like Skeletox. When the time comes, you will have to crash a plane full of passengers, and I will take their soul. So that's what happened. As a result, I'll revive your parents. But if you fail, I will take your soul instead. He basically failed 3 times. I will do it. This is for you, Mom and Dad. Wait, I won? The Saturn didn't. Well, guys, I guess that we just won. So